Anyway, it's your boy Paul Looping, and I'm back with another video, guys. So today we will try just a little bit experiment, because a lot of us have a question: what if our GoPro have no frame and put into water? I don't have any idea, but I do some research. According to GoPro Hero 8 is that without the frame, the capacity of this is 33 feet and 10 meters. So today we will try experiment. We will put the GoPro in the water without the frame. So are you ready, guys? So I'm so excited. A lot of people have a question: what if my GoPro have no frame and I will put into the water? So today we will try this one, and I will secure my GoPro, of course. So today I will try without the battery and the memory. So let's go. Yeah, and then I will remove the memory, guys. So first I need to secure my GoPro, guys. So I have a towel. So today we will try it without the battery and without the memory, guys. So let's see what will happen. So I'm a little bit nervous, guys. So I will try the GoPro. I'll try this one, guys. I'll put the GoPro inside the water. Oh my god. So let's see what will happen. I don't see any bubbles, guys. I don't see any bubbles. Oh my god. Oh my god. As you can see, guys, there's a proof that I put into the water, and I need to just put into the towel. And the second one is I will look if the water go into the battery side and the memory side. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? So let's go. Okay. Whoa! It's cool, man. I don't see any water here. It's cool. GoPro. Hi guys, I'm so nervous about that. So the second one is we will try the GoPro with the battery and with the memory, and I will turn on my GoPro Hero 8 Black. So let's go. And of course I will turn on my GoPro. So I will secure my GoPro, guys. A little bit shaky, guys, because I'm so nervous about this one, this kind of experiment. I take a risk. I put my GoPro in the water, but GoPro is really designed to be a waterproof. Oh, guys. But guys, you need to read an article about the GoPro Hero 8 in the page of GoPro company. So according to the GoPro, the Hero Black 8 is waterproof to 33 feet and 10 meters, according to their website, guys. So let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo! I thought oh my god. So this one is my GoPro. I put the memory and the battery, guys, and I turn on my GoPro, guys. So we will test it and I will video it. I will turn on now the GoPro Hero 8. I will test to the water now. No. Woo. Lord have mercy. Pity on us. Oh, it's cool, bro. It's on. The GoPro is on, guys. It's on. It's on the water, guys. Proven and tested. Thank you, GoPro Hero 8. I tried this one. I experiment this one. This one's cool, guys. I put my GoPro here in the water. Yeah. Woo. So thank you, GoPro. Thank you to myself that I tried this kind of experiment. Sorry for being ignorant about this one, but I want to test the GoPro if they talking about true stuff about the product of GoPro Hero 8. So I will get the GoPro, guys. Oh, it's working, guys. It's working. It's working. How's the GoPro? miles the GoPro. It's working guys. It's working. It's 100% working. It's 100% working. So that's all guys. So before you try your GoPro into the water and put it into the water and test if it's a waterproof camera, so you need to read an article in the GoPro Hero website, and you need to be aware that this GoPro need a frame above 33 feet. So if you want to go dive in the sea, you need a frame. You need to buy a frame. So that's all guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to comment about this GoPro. So that's all. Bye bye.